How to log into QVC Credit Card account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now at the top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in QVC Credit Login and then search for it. And different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option. Synchrony QVC Credit Card Login. You will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. First up, go ahead and type in the user ID. Then type in the password. If you want to save your username, check in for the option of Remember User ID. If you have forgotten the username or password, click on these options to recover it. After you provide all the details, click on Secure Login, and just with that, you'll be logged into your account. Likewise, if you haven't registered for your account yet, click on the option of Register or Apply and go through the process. Well, this way you can easily log into your QVC Credit Card account online. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.